Okay, today we're here at Hanky's Hot Chicken, and I got their 6-piece nuggets, and for this one I got their highest level heat sauce called Hanky's Hot, and it comes with one sauce, so you could choose I think it's ranch, honey mustard, or comeback sauce, which is like a sriracha mayo. So these things are kind of evil looking. They're like dark brownish orange. So let me try it. Still a little hot too. Oh yeah, there's the heat. It's all over my tongue. And it builds, and then the temperature heat of the chicken nugget isn't helping the spicy heat. Oh yeah, it built a lot. So this hot hanky sauce is pretty hot. Oh yeah, both ear canals are going real strong now. So get a shake one. It's still not as hot as Hot Pill, their highest level. Whew. So for heat, I'm gonna give these an A. I don't know what the chicken tastes like at all because I can't taste anything but the heat. So yeah, come to Hanky's. It's in the Rolling Hills Plaza in Torrance, I guess, right? And come try these out. You could do a different level of heat on yours too. There's, I think, 4 or 5 levels. This happens to be the hottest. I did it so you guys can see me suffer. Anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one. Well,